How to set up the Verizon Hotspot or Verizon Hotspot in your iPhone. So it's a very simple way. Go ahead to your settings, make sure your cellular data is turned on. Now from there you'll have to simply go ahead to Personal Hotspot. Now here you can see you'll have to simply toggle the all others to join option on, and once you turn that on you can see you can connect using Wi-Fi, you can connect using Bluetooth, or you can also connect using USB. So you can go ahead change your password as well. You can simply share this password with the devices you want to get connected, or you want to set up your hotspot LAN with. And you can see you can to connect using Wi-Fi, choose iPhone from the Wi-Fi settings on your computer or the device, enter the password when prompted. You can also connect using Bluetooth, or you can also connect using USB. Simply plug in the iPhone into your computer, choose iPhone from the list of network services in your settings, and you can simply use that in your computer. The hotspot will get shared. So that's basically ways how you can simply go ahead and set up hotspot in your Verizon SIM. That's how you do it. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.